Do you want to use TikTok without logging in into your TikTok account? Well, if yes, then this video is made for you. In this video, I'm going to guide you guys on a step-by-step tutorial on how to watch TikTok without logging in. Now, without any further ado, let's get right into our video. One thing that you need to understand is you don't really need a TikTok account in order to watch TikToks. So for the first thing we're going to do is open our Play Store app. And if you haven't installed your TikTok application, then you'll have to go on your Play Store, and once you're on your Play Store, type TikTok on the search bar. And once you have searched your TikTok application on your Play Store, here you'll get the TikTok app on the very top. Here, as you can see on the very top, right besides the TikTok app icon and the TikTok name, there is an option open written there. There is usually written an option install if you haven't installed your TikTok account. Since I have already installed my TikTok account, I will be simply tapping on the open button. You can tap on the install button if you haven't downloaded your TikTok account. Once you're on your TikTok page, you can tap on the profile icon that is located on the bottom right hand side corner. Once you have tapped on the profile icon here, as you can see, I have not signed up or registered into my TikTok account. So I'm currently using my TikTok without an account. You only need to log in into your account if you want to comment on a post or if you want to share and save the video. So just like that, that was an easy step-by-step tutorial on how to use TikTok without account. Thank you for staying to the very end of this video. I hope you found this video helpful. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to leave us a like and subscribe. Have a good day.